You send a message on your phone, and it feels instant and effortless, but behind the scenes, a lot is happening very fast. Your message does not travel directly to the other phone, and it must pass through many systems before it arrives. First, your phone prepares the message and adds technical information so other computers know where it should go. Before leaving your phone, the message is encrypted, which means it is turned into secret code for safety. Next, the message is split into many small pieces, and these pieces are called data packets. Each data packet is sent into the internet, and they leave your phone almost at the same time. On the internet, routers take control, and routers are machines that decide where each data packet goes next. Packets do not always take the same path, and each one can travel a completely different route. Some packets travel across cities or countries, while others may cross oceans through underground cables. Eventually, all packets arrive near the destination and reach the network of the receiving phone. The receiving phone waits until all packets arrive and then puts them back together in the correct order. After that, the message is decrypted and the secret code turns back into readable text. Now the phone understands the message content and prepares to show it to the user. The message finally appears on the screen, and from your perspective, it looks instant. All of this usually happens in less than 1 second, even though the message may travel very far. This complex process explains why messages can be delayed, lost, or sometimes intercepted on the internet. Messages do not move as one piece, they travel as data packets, and now you know how messaging really works.